Hello fellas and happy Orthodox Easter! Today I will unbox and review the most manly toy I can think of, this Philips i9000 Prestige Beard Shaver. The exact model is XP9201/33. It's a premium shaver for wet and dry shaving. It's not the flagship, but it sits pretty high in the Philips lineup. Probably its second or third in tier. The number after the slash, 33, shows what accessories the product is shipped with. In my case, quick cleaning pot, charging stand, a travel case, beard styler and a USB-A charging cable. A power adapter is not included, you have to use your own. This somehow became a standard with all modern electrical devices. And again, just like any modern electrical device, this thing here is powered by AI and the Philips Skin IQ technology, which on theory gives you a superior shaving experience. According to Philips, the lift and cut system lifts the hair before cutting it precisely at skin level. The shaver is equipped with the so-called dual steel precision blades, which perform up to 150,000 cuts per minute and are capable of handling even 7 days old beard. Another interesting feature is the Hydro Skin Glide coating. The shaving heads are covered in 500,000 hydrophilic microspheres per square centimeters, providing smoother gliding. The shaver comes with a pressure sensor. This ring here illuminates in green when the pressure is optimal, in blue when the pressure is too little, and in orange when the pressure is too much. And once again, just like any modern electrical device, this thing comes with Bluetooth connectivity. You can pair it with your smartphone. There's a specialized Philips application and you can track your shaving technique, which is something quite unusual for me, but this is how the progress goes. Well, I think it's about time to unbox it. And the first thing we see is this leaflet giving us more information about the shaving application I just told you. Everything is nicely packed. This is the cleaning cartridge with the cleaning agent for the cleaning pot. The cleaning pot itself. The charging stand. A USB-A charging cable. Small cleaning brush. The beard styler attachment. And of course, the travel case with the shaver inside. Again, nicely packed, wrapped in this black paper. Let's take a closer look to the different accessories, starting with the charging stand. It's made in China. It's equipped with rubberized feet. It's really easy to place the shaver on the stand. However, I don't like this wobbling when you touch it. It somehow looks cheap. Continuing with the cleaning pot. Again, it's made in China. Once in a while, the shaver will alert you it needs cleaning, so you have to place it on the cleaning pot, where you have already put in the cleaning cartridge, and leave it running for about a minute. Why is this so important? Well, this is not only a cleaning solution, but it also contains lubricants for lubricating the shaving heads. Before using the cleaning pot, it's highly advisable to clean the shaving heads from the cutted beard, otherwise you risk contaminating the cleaning solution pretty fast and you end up changing it more frequently. Gaining access to the shaving heads is super easy. You just need to press the button here, and then using either this small brush or running water you can clean the cutted beard. And talking about the shaving heads, maybe here is the right time to tell you how to remove them and to place the beard styler attachment. On the back of the shaver we have a sideburns cutter which pops out with a single push. And while being on the back, we can see that the shaver is made in Netherlands, it's not made in China. Finally, something not Chinese. You already saw the small display under the power button, a single press and it gives us a battery level percentage, another press and we have the option to lock or unlock the machine. A third press and we have the option to enable or disable the light ring. Almost forgot to show you the beard styler attachment. It's super easy to adjust the cutting length. What more can I tell you? Well, the quick start guide is really well illustrated. Any information you might need about the machine is in it. Let's take a look at the shaving application. There are some shaving statistics, real-time guidance and device health. The shaving heads are at 100%, they are brand new. The battery charge is at 52% and I'm left with 26 minutes of runtime and I can do 7 more shavings. Clicking real-time guidance, I can see information about the duration of the shaving I done so far today, with information about the pressure and also the motion. Clicking the eye in the upper right corner and the application will give me some practical advices about proper shaving. Lastly, clicking the shaving statistics, I can see information about the pressure, the motion and the duration of the shavings summarized by days. Finally, let's test the shaver on my 2 days old beard. That's it, fellas, nice and clean. So much with this video. I think I've shared enough information with you. If you'd like it, you know what to do. Bye guys and see you soon.